Affiliate marketing, in case you're not familiar with the concept, is just a way of getting other people to promote your products for you in exchange for a percentage of the sale price, or you can promote other people's products in exchange for a percentage of the sales price. So this is ClickBank we have here. This is the largest and most well-known affiliate marketer. And basically this is a great way of creating backlinks, because anybody who chooses to promote your product, say it's a digital product or whatever it is you sell on your website, they're going to create a link on their site so that people can go and buy whatever it is that they're promoting for you. And they're going to take like I said, a cut of the action here. So I'm going to walk you through the fees. ClickBank is going to take 7.5% of the sale plus $1. So assuming you paid the affiliate who's promoting your product 50% on a $100 sale, you'd get $45.75. Now 50% sounds high. That's actually fairly common for affiliate marketing, especially with digital products. This is CJ.com. It stands for Commission Junction, and it's owned by Conversant now. I think this is the second largest. And then we have AffiliateWindow.com. And really, you can promote your products and have people creating backlinks for you on as many affiliate marketing sites as you want. Some of them do have some restrictions on who can join. They can be kind of picky based on your reputation. By the way, I love this thing on the side here. I got to figure out where they got these social share icons. Those are pretty cool. Those are cool! And here's bluesnap.com. You can click sign up now, and then you sign up now. But you have to put your projected annual volume in sales. Basically, how much do you expect to make? And then this is an article I'm going to include in the resources. These are just other sites you can use to promote your stuff in addition to ClickBank. Some of them are more specialized than others, so if you have a very niche product, some of them might be better than others for you. So that's affiliate marketing, and again, just another opportunity to get backlinks from other people.